We'll look forward to hearing from them. Jonathan, thank you. A new weight loss pill has been launched in Britain after tests showed it had the potential to help people lose more than a stone. The treatment involves swallowing a capsule containing a balloon, which is then inflated in the stomach. A warning, this report from our health correspondent Thomas Moore contains pictures of a person having surgery.
One small pill that's claimed to help patients lose more than a stone. It's called Oben. Inside is a gastric balloon that's been tightly packaged to make it easy to swallow. But once in the stomach, it's inflated. So when patients eat, they feel fuller sooner, helping them to lose weight without the need for surgery. Helene Fleckney had 2 balloons inserted into her stomach as part of a clinical trial.
Prior to having Oben, I weighed 11 stone 1. I'm now down to 9 stone 9, so that's 19 pounds loss. I'm delighted with that, and it's made me feel so much better in myself.
There's no quick fix for obesity at this gymophobic session. The balloon is being offered by some private hospitals for £2,000, but here they burn up the calories as part of a healthier lifestyle, and they're sceptical of the claims made for the pill.
I don't really think much to taking a pill, but sometimes it works for other people, just not for me.
If you can't do it yourself, then I don't think you should be doing it at all.
Probably not at my size. Maybe if I was bigger, I'd consider it, if everything else had failed.
There are potential risks to inserting balloons into the stomach. Even the company's own website warns that if it suddenly deflates, it can move down into the bowel, where it can cause a potentially fatal obstruction. At St Thomas's Hospital in London, doctors use an alternative balloon, which they fill with a blue dye. If the balloon bursts, patients will know long before it causes problems.
The blue dye is an early warning system. If you pass blue urine, that for you is a code red. You must, whatever time of day, come into the hospital. We'll take the balloon out for you.
But Oben's manufacturers insist the risk of a burst balloon is small.
There are risks of all products failing at some point, but what we've seen in the design of our balloon and the small valve and the material, that we've really minimized that risk, and we haven't seen that to date.
Big solid for me.
Balloons can lead to rapid weight loss, motivating patients to lead a healthier lifestyle and keep the pounds off in future. Thomas Moore, Sky News.
Well, on Sky News for iPad, how well do you know your calories? There are 10 questions in our interactive test. There's also more background on the growing obesity crisis, including a heat map showing changes in England since 1994. Access to the app is free if you're a Sky customer. Just use your Sky ID. 4 people have been killed by a suicide bomber in Beirut. At least 30